Hey friends, it's Kivia. Welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time clicking on one of my videos. I really appreciate you stopping by. So today's video will be kind of vlog style. I just wanted to throw in a little bit of what I did during the week. So I really hope you guys enjoy. Okay, for this recipe, you're gonna need some shredded lettuce, sourdough bread, some tomatoes, pepper jack cheese, ranch seasoning, jalapeno peppers, pepperoncini peppers, Hendrickson, sweet vinegar and olive oil, and an onion. All right, you guys, this was pretty self-explanatory. So I went ahead and added everything to a bowl. Of course, cut what needed to be cut, washed what needed to be washed, and mixed everything together. So I just eyeballed the amount of ranch seasoning I wanted to add to it along with the dressing, and then added a little salt and pepper. So I like to get these cover-ups from the Dollar Tree. They come in a variety pack and they are great for covering up items that do not come with the top. So I'm going to set that aside and go ahead and get my bread ready. So I'm just going to use this plant butter, and I have this garlic paste. I'm going to add a little bit of that to the pan. Looking at this butter, I'm like, a little bit, that's a lot. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and add my bread and just keep flipping it until it is golden brown to my liking, and just start building everything together. So I put my salmon in the air fryer, went ahead and added some fries with this, and this turned out really good, you guys. My husband and my son really liked it, along with me, and I know I can't just walk into a deli and get this type of sandwich, so I decided to make it myself. My husband and I are pescatarian. I've been pescatarian for years now. And to top it off, I'm just going to add this yum yum sauce. I usually find this at Walmart. I'm pretty sure you can find it at any grocery store, but it's usually on the Asian aisle. And as I mentioned, you guys, this turned out really good. This sandwich was so good, and that dressing was amazing. One thing about my household, we hate washing dishes, so I usually keep plastic items in stock at all times. That includes plastic forks, spoons, paper plates. If I could use plastic pots, I would definitely have those handy as well. Now I'm just going to restock my husband's coffee. I found these jumbo storage bags at the Dollar Tree, and I really wanted to try these out for my extra pillows and blankets. So I'm going to test out the quality and let you guys know what I think. Okay, I was able to get 2 of these pillows in here. These are 18 by 18 in size, I believe. So these are fillers, and I usually buy a lot of pillow covers that I get from Amazon just so I won't accumulate a lot of throw pillows, and I just like to change them out throughout the seasons and the holidays. So it definitely works well for this. I was going to try to squeeze 4 in here, but I don't want to push it because I know the zipper is probably not that great in quality. But yeah, I think this will be perfect for those extra items you have, and I'm going to test it out with the blankets as well. Okay, this is a full-size blanket, so I just folded it down to match the length of the bag so it will, sit in here correctly. But yeah, that works out great. So most likely I probably can get 2 twin blankets in here. I have some old blankets that, they're still in good condition. I like to keep those for when we have guests and stuff. When my boys had twin beds, they both have full-size beds now, but I do like to keep those extra blankets for when we have guests. So I've been looking for some ways to store extra comforters and stuff, so I think this might be the perfect solution. I was able to get 2 twin blankets in here with no problem. And another tip I have, when you are storing comforters and stuff away, I just like to add some of these dryer sheets just to keep things fresh, especially if you just wash these items. Most likely, if we do have guests, I'm probably going to wash them again, because when you storing stuff away, things just seems to get like a stale smell sometimes. I don't know, it's just me. Like, I have a very sensitive nose, so I tend to smell everything, and if it have a little stench to it, then yes, I'm gonna wash it. But yeah, this is a great way to keep your items fresh. So I just like to put a dryer sheet in here as well and close it up. Just as I thought I was pushing it, I probably could have folded these down flatter and maybe it would have done the job, but of course the zipper broke, which I figured. It's $1.25, so what do you expect? But it will get the job done. Just don't overstuff it, and I guess you got to be kind of delicate when trying to zip it up. But I overstuffed this just trying to put 2 blankets in here. I think if I would have laid them a little flatter, it would have worked, but these worked out great. So yeah, I am, a little satisfied with that, and I could just store these away somewhere and not just have blankets piled on top of each other. These do come in blue as well. I forgot I had this one for Jordan's blankets. He have a lot of extra little decorative blankets like this, and I did store these away when we had guests for the holidays, so I can definitely get a little bit more in this one. I'm not going to push it. This was the comforter set that I had on his bed for Christmas, so I'm going to try to put that set in here along with the stuff I already have, and hopefully I don't break this zipper. I refolded them long ways like this just so I won't make the same mistake in overstuffing this bag and breaking the zipper like I said. Hold on a second. All right, you guys, we are on to the patio again. So the last time y'all saw me clean the patio, that was the last time I cleaned it, because I was just so frustrated with this pollen that we were having this year. It was horrible, but I did go ahead and use this Dawn Power Wash, which worked really well. People use this for pretty much everything. And I just sprayed everything down and went ahead and rinsed it off with the hose, and it worked good.
Oh, we're living in the present, but our mind is in the past, not knowing what we're losing.
I do want to add some fun colors back here. I've been looking for a nice bright summer rug along with some more throw pillows. So when I do make those changes, I'll be sure to come back and share that with you all.
Don't know what will last, yeah. And the things you always dare to dream, are not always what they seem. Close to total peace.
These were the items that I picked up from Target, just some self-care items. I've been using this. I really love this. My first time trying this. This is the mango and lime sugar scrub along with the oil. It does smell good. They had the spray as well, but I didn't want the spray. I just wanted to try those two. And just a travel size deodorant. This smells really good. This one is the Before the Rainbow scent. I usually drink these Celsius drinks. I have not tried this one yet. Hopefully it tastes good. It says sparkling mandarin marshmallow. I usually get the peach vibes all the time, so I wanted to try that one out. Of course, I had to pick up some of my Stella. The pineapple and the black are my faves. So, and then I was looking for the bigger one like this, but they did have the small one. I've been looking for this for the longest. I got this from Walmart. So all of these items are from Target. And then I picked this up from Walmart. And I got these two from Target as well. So this is a mosquito repellent. And I wanted to put this on my patio since I'll be chilling back there. So I finally found a lamp for this table. I've been looking for one for the longest now. And I did go ahead and change out the orchids for some greenery just to change things up a little bit. And I do like the way that it turned out. All right, friends, I know this video was kind of all over the place, but I just wanted to throw in some day-to-day things that I usually do. But as always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. If you have not subscribed already, I would really appreciate if you would do so. Also, give this video a thumbs up and share this video with a friend. I hope you do come back for another one. But until next time, my friends, I hope you all have a happy Easter, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.